Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and today I'm going to be showing you what my typical day was like as a housekeeper. Before I get into this video, I think it's important that I tell you exactly why I became a housekeeper. So I took the job to bring in more income at the time. Housekeeping is not my what I want to do for the rest of my life. It's teaching. And as you all know, if you've seen my previous video, I just became a substitute teacher. So while I was getting certified as a substitute teacher, I did become a housekeeper. Job wasn't that hard. You just had to make sure you clean the rooms before the guests came in. I'm the type of person, I pay attention to detail and I love cleaning. So it was pretty easy for me to catch on, do what I need to do. But as soon as I got my certification in substitute teaching and I was able to teach for my school district, I just decided to start teaching because that's what I wanted to do. That's what I do on a daily basis anyway with my YouTube channel. I teach business owners how to start their online business. I do one-on-one coaching, webinars, all that type of stuff to help them start their online business. So I just became a housekeeper because they were paying good, and who doesn't want extra money in their pocket? So these next clips that I'm going to show you are me stripping a room, how I stripped the room, and then the second clip is going to show you how I make the bed and how it's supposed to be. If you have any questions about how I became a housekeeper, like some tips and tricks that I use to move around the room faster, if you're interested in becoming a housekeeper, just leave all your questions in the comment box below. Another thing, excuse the angle of the camera in the room. I didn't bring my tripod that day, so I had to set it up against like the blankets and the desk. So yeah, this is a day in my life as a housekeeper. Like I said, the pillows need to be sitting up, bedding at the bottom, nice tight sheets. And this is my view every time I make a bed, so I get to look out to the ocean. Nice view.